Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic water at home. This guide will show you how to create a healthy drink at home, saving money and allowing you to control the ingredients. We'll cover everything from gathering your supplies to enjoying your finished, fizzy beverage. Making your own probiotic water is a rewarding process that supports your digestive health and overall well-being. Let's get started on this simple, step-by-step journey. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need about 4 to 6 cups of filtered water, as chlorine can inhibit fermentation. Next, prepare your sugar. Organic cane sugar or raw honey works best, providing food for the probiotics. Finally, you'll need a starter culture. Water kefir grains are a popular choice, or you can use the contents of 1/2 to 1 probiotic capsule. Ensure you have a clean 1-liter glass jar and a breathable cover, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, secured with a rubber band. Now, let's start the fermentation. First, dissolve about 1/4 cup of your chosen sugar in a small amount of warm, filtered water, then add cooler water to bring it to room temperature. Pour this into your clean glass jar. Next, add your starter culture. If using water kefir grains, about 1/2 cup is ideal, or the contents of 1/2 to 1 probiotic capsule. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it. Allow it to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 to 5 days. After the initial fermentation, strain the probiotic water to separate the starter culture. You can reuse your water kefir grains for future batches. For a fizzy, flavored drink, consider a second fermentation. Transfer the strained liquid to a sealed bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Add your desired flavorings, such as 1/3 fruit juice or fresh fruit pieces. Seal tightly and let it ferment for another 1 to 3 days at room temperature, burping the bottle daily to release pressure. Once carbonated to your liking, refrigerate and enjoy your homemade probiotic water. For more great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.